Hi, this is Osama Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to talk about how you can translate your website. Now in Canada, most of nonprofit organizations' website, you have to have an English website and a French website, so two languages usually. So here is that my recent projects I've been working on for this client. So the English website is done. So now I'm in the process of translating each page to the French language. So let me show you how. Now the plugin I have been using is called WPML. So there are other different plugin too, but this is the plugin I have been using for my translation. So as a demo, so I show you, so this CFUW charitable trust, so this page, and as you can see, this is English page, and then so I don't have any French. So this is my client existing website, which has French contents, and then for a specific this page, that the content is the same, so I can just copy and paste. And let me show you how. Now, when you look at on the left hand side, so this is the WordPress admin dashboard, and then here is the CFUW charitable trust page, so which is this page. Now, as you can see here, you can have a plus button, so which means I haven't done any French translation yet, so I have to add this. So just click this. So as you can see, here you go. So add translation to French. So basically it just duplicates English copy. So this is what it means here. I'm using Elementor, so I have to add a title, which is this one. So I just copy this and then paste, and then I'm going to just hit edit with Elementor. So as you can see, so just duplicated the English page here, so you can see on the left hand side. So I'm going to just copy and paste. I know we made some update here, so report, so annual report, I said 2016, 17. Now I have annual report is 2019 and 2020. So other than that, the text is pretty much the same. So I'm going to just copy. Actually, I'm going to just copy entire thing here. And then, so I'm using a text editor widget here. So I'm going to just select everything and then paste onto that. So now, so a little bit, the format I have to adjust. So there are extra space right here. Now, okay, so that looks good. And then, so now I want to just check here. So this link should be, must be French too, so probably different link. Okay, so I don't think they have a French website for this donate page section here. So in this case, I can just leave the same URL as before. All right, so I have to change that because annual report has been updated. So I'm going to change that to 19 to 2020. All right, so and so just so again, so I think okay, here we go. So because I pasted, so I have to use the new report because this is all the report right there. So I'm going to just change that. So the PDF is in the media file. And I think it's right here. So I'm going to just copy the URL and back to French page. And I'm going to just paste that new link. And this report is it's bilingual, so I didn't have to upload different separate report. So I think that's good. So that has been updated. Now just one sec. So I'm gonna make sure. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna just move this here, cut and paste. Okay, so this one should be like that, and that looks good. And I'm gonna just hit publish here. So I just published it, and then so this is the English. I'm gonna just refresh though. Now here we go. So because I added French translation, now you see the Français language switcher here. So then if I click that, and here is the French page, it's done. All right, so and then so I'm gonna double check this annual report. So it's working, and as you see, this is bilingual. I want to show you one more thing. Now, so I'm gonna translate this page as well. Now, as you see, I have already started. So that's why it's, yeah, you see that the Français language switcher right here. And as I started, I just realized that that the content has changed for this page from the existing website. So I didn't have any French translation for this. So I have to kind of ask my client to provide me French translation. So, and if you look at if you look at admin site, so instead of plus icon, now it's the pencil mark because I have already started. So now instead of adding it, it's now edit. So let's go ahead. I usually use Google Sheet, and I put any missing French translation, and I put the English on the left hand side, and I leave it blank on the French side. So I give you some example here. Maybe so they seems like they filled out. Okay, so something like that. So my clients are still working on it. She put the kind of yellow highlighter here, so still these are blank, so they're still working on it. And then so this particular page, so my clients provided me all the translation, so it's ready to go. Let's start. So I'm gonna just grab Texas copy from the Google Sheet, and then I'm gonna just paste onto that, and the same here. So she provided with French, and all I have to do is just paste onto it. And then so same here, so I have to translate this button like that. I don't think I need a period for that, so delete. And then what else here? Okay, contact national office, it's kind of same thing. So I'm going to just speed up the process here. Yes. All right, so I think that's done. So now I think it's 100% complete for this page. So as you can see, so it's pretty easy process, right? So look at on the left hand side. So this is the new French page we just created, and then here is the English page. Right now, oh, here's the button here, the extra button. So actually we decided to remove that. I forgot to take it off. So let me show that to you. It's easy to remove that. So you just go to edit with Elementor here, and then I'm just delete and hit update. Now you see how easy to add the different French translation. It doesn't have to be French, different languages. So with WordPress. So hope this helps, and see you next time.